That's right. Shake it up, baby, shake 'em up tonight. It's Bar Bingo Bonus. Buy one card, get one free when you make a donation of school supplies for all the children and the families who turn to the Westinghouse Valley Food Pantry for assistance. It's tonight. Pencils, paper, composition books, backpacks, Kleenex, whatever you can find on sale, bring 'em on down tonight. Buy one card, get one free, and bring some snacks to share. Shake 'em up! First number called at 8 p.m.